Okay, guys. Well, I didn't want to bore you with all the sanding I had to do, so I did about a 60 grit all the way around on the outside. Inside, I don't care too much because that's what will be the dirt, and all the liner is going to be on the inside too. I did round off the edges with the router and stuff. Now I have to put on the first coat of linseed oil before the sun sets because I have to wait 2 days before I could put the second coat on, and then I gotta wait till the weekend to actually go put the box where it needs to go. All right, here comes the first coat of linseed oil. Using a 60-40 mix, 60 raw linseed oil, 40% mineral spirits for the mix. Just thin it out enough so it doesn't clog up the gun. So I can get a good chunk of the box done in one shot. Therefore, you can actually get a nice good coat on the box. You gotta wait, again, the 48 hours to let the first coat dry. Then you put the next coat on. And then once you put the next coat on, you let it dry again for a few more days before you actually put it out in the area it's supposed to go in. All right, here we go for another one here in a minute. Making my mix. Making a mess too. Good thing I got cardboard down. What a mess. I come back with a brush and a little bit of linseed oil, just straight linseed oil. I just brush down anywhere that needs to be brushed down. Pretty much I do the entire box. Give a nice, one more solid, generous application. The cedar will really soak this stuff up. So that's why I went up using the Wagner stain gun. First coat, that's it.